Hello. When you are thinking about getting red light therapy panel for your elderly parents or maybe other elderly relatives, the simplest panel is probably the best, not because they are old-fashioned and they wouldn't cope with modern panels with digital touchscreens, but because usually elderly people have some sort of impairments, like with the vision problem, or maybe they have shaking hands, or maybe they have problems with dexterity to touching things. So the less complicated panel for them is the best because they are going to use it. If you get them very modern panel like this, for instance, with touchscreen, they may struggle with operating it because first of all, they may not see it very well. And second, their hands may be not good in coordination with touching all that small buttons on the touchscreen. While if they have a simple panel like this with one flip switch, that's so simple, everybody can do it. And the more complicated is the panel, the less likely they are going to use it. In my opinion, there's no point in buying for them the latest and greatest technology because they might not actually use it. It will be nice standing in the room and getting dusted, but they are not going to actually benefit from it. While if you get them very simple panel with simple controls, that they are more likely to use it because it will be very intuitive, very easy for them to do. And with this kind of panel, this is one of the simplest available because you've got basically just two main flip switches, one for near infrared, you won't see it because of course it's invisible, and one with the red light. You can use both lights at the same time. You can choose only near infrared if you do light therapy for muscles and joints, or if you do for skin, you can use red light. It's as simple as this. And you basically point the panel towards the area you want to do light therapy on. They come with the table stand, but I detach it for this one. So you would have it like this on a table stand and then basically flip the switch on and do light therapy, and then when you finish, switch it off. Very simple, very easy to use, and in my opinion, one of the best options for people who have problems with vision, who have problems with dexterity, who may have too large fingers to touch on a very fiddly modern touchscreen panels. So this is my point of view, and what is yours? And if you're interested in red light therapy panels, I'm affiliate with Mito Red Lights and Platinum LED. So you can check my affiliate link down below and it will give you a discount. And it will be at no extra cost to you, but it will give me some commission to support this channel. I really appreciate it, and it's a win-win for everyone. And if you're interested in red light therapy at home, consider subscribing for more tips and useful information about doing it to get the best results possible. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.